today's video I have another Coach unboxing. How did I even come across this bag? I always am just on the hunt for the next best Coach bag, and I happened to go on the Nordstrom website and I saw this bag, and like I say in every bag, it just made me happy. It made my heart skip a little beat. So I was like, add to cart, check out, ship it to me. So let me just go ahead and show you. I got it delivered today. Today is Sunday, and I got it delivered today, and I ordered it on Thursday, and I got it today. So here we go. Let's just go ahead and unbox it.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it.
So as you saw in the previous clip, it's another Studio Baguette bag, and it is the Sequin Studio Baguette in dark magenta. It retails for $4.50, I believe. Let me check the tag. Oh, excuse me. It retails for $4.25. Here is the tag. Hopefully that focuses. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the tag. So it is, again, the Sequence Studio Baguette in dark magenta, and it has silver hardware, and there is sequins all throughout this bag. Like, look at it. Like, this is just stunning. Again, sequins on the side. It comes with the little key clay so you can lock the bag in the front here. It also comes with the hang tag. There's a pocket in the back of the bag here. And when you open it up, it's one big compartment on the inside. There's a pocket in the back. There's 6 credit card slots in the front of the bag. And there's also a pocket in the front of the bag here. Pocket right here. Again, these bags aren't new to my channel. I have so many. Like, I believe this, the Studio Baguette, and then the Studio, not Studio, excuse me. This bag here, the Studios, and then the Bandits are like my favorite style of Coach handbags. So like, if they come out with colors, patterns, whatever, I'm getting them because they're my favorite. Again, with the Studio Baguettes, they come with 2 straps. You have a shorter strap so that you can carry the bag on your shoulder. And then you also have a longer strap where you can wear the bag crossbody. And it comes adjustable and, as you can see, detachable. They're both in the silver hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and add one of the straps on the bag. I should do like a Studio Baguette collection video because I literally have a lot of them. So here is how the bag looks with the strap on. I am 5'2.5", 5'3" for reference. So this is how the bag looks on me, where it's hitting me at, on the settings that it's on. So here's that this way. And then I'm going to show you guys the shoulder strap. So this is how she looks with the shoulder strap on. It's so cute. So then this is how this looks just on my shoulder here. And I like how it's just like gleaming in the light. Like, this is just everything. Coach really snapped with this, like, and I was just thinking in my head, I was like, they should come out with their studio baguettes and like different materials. Like they have the patents, they have like the leathers. I was like, they need like a shearling, a faux fur, like something to like add more dimension to these bags. And I saw the sequence one and I was like, Coach, you read my mind. I need to come work for you guys. I need to be like a creative director for them. Like just throwing that out in the atmosphere. But like that would literally be like my dream job, is to be a creative director for Coach handbags. But this also comes in 2 other colors. It comes in silver and it comes in black. I'll pop up a picture so you guys can see. And I've only seen these on 2 websites. I've seen it at Nordstrom and I've seen it at Belk. And I will link those links down below just in case, you know, you might want to pick you up one. You know, this is like a great holiday bag. So I don't know, like for me, this is literally about to be like my everyday bag. Maybe pushing it, but I'm extra, so it might just be. But I definitely am going to carry this very, very soon because she deserves to be, the world deserves to see her. Like the world deserves to see her. So here again is the Studio Sequins Baguette in dark magenta, retailing for $425. So that's the end of this video. It's very quick, just straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you like this bag in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.